Hey, Ben.
Jay, you need to get over to the Phalanx Casino now.
Not in the mood for craps, Benny.
I just got a tip from a good source. Bunch of cartel thugs are on their way over here to heist the place. I need some backup.
Benny, it's not worth it, man. Just step aside and let Frank get robbed. Who cares?
I care. I swore an oath, Jason. I take that stuff seriously. Besides, if the Phalanx gets hit, Frank will be looking to roll some heads. I don't want him to have any excuse to roll mine.
Fine. I'm on my way.
Oh, hurry! Over there and let's get ready to defend the place. Some more! How many are there? I think we did it! We did it! Yeah! Go us!
Glad I could help.
Thanks, Jason. Seriously. Couldn't have done it without you.
Frank's lucky to have a guy like you, Benny.
I don't know about that. Anyway, I gotta clean this mess up. See you around.
Look who it is.
Glad to see you too, asshole.
Believe it or not, I am glad to see you. I'm sponsoring a boat in this charity race, but unfortunately my driver's at home in a full body cast. Right now, seems he had a problem with keeping up with some debts he owed to some unsavory folks.
Bummer.
You know how to drive a boat?
Yeah?
Great, you're my guide. Get out there and have fun in the name of charity. Oh, and finish first or I'll cut your scrotum off.
Yeah.
Hey, Jay. It's Racer Girl. That you driving the Rev's boat?
Yeah.
Hot stuff out there. If you want to make some more waves, I can set you up with some other boat races at some point.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Cool. Later, Tater.